About this item: fully functioning, brand new and durable replacement remote control, works out of packaging, well responsive to every key press, ensuring the projector operates as expected without any hassle. A perfect replacement to your old or lost remote control, less cost with solid quality and better usage experience. Requires 2 AAA batteries, not included, for use with NEC NP-MC382X, NP-MC382XG, NP-MC332W, NP-MC332WG, NP-MC342X, NP-MC342XG, NP-MC372X, NP-MC372XG, NP-MC382W, NP-MC382WG, NP-MC422X, NP-MC422XG, NP-ME342U, NP-ME342UG, NP-ME372W, NP-ME372WG, NP-ME382U, NP-ME382